What's up, everybody? Welcome to the video. I'm going to try to do every so often throughout like a midweek video, and it's going to be something real short and just kind of a just a short video about something. Well, this one is going to be about taking an old Chevy distributor and turning it into a priming tool to prime the motor. So we'll be taking off the gear here, taking off the whole top. We just need the shaft in the middle and this section right here. Never did it before, so well, let's give it a try. Alright, first thing I know, you gotta take this pin out to the middle right there. Don't know how to get it out. Might have to put it in a vise and see if we can get it out that way. Alright, so I couldn't get the, oh crap, oh there it goes. So I couldn't get the pin to slide out, so I just took a 1/4 drill bit and drilled right through it. Well, that's trash. Then we need the shaft out of this. I don't know if it just pulls. It looks like it just pulls right out. Oh yeah. So, just need to pull it out. We'll bang this thing off. Hopefully I get it out. Put it in a vise, yank it out. Alright, so put this end in the vise and then just beat this with a hammer till it came off. No issue. There's a piece right here that goes inside the bearing right there. What we're going to do is we're going to cut it off right here. Then we're going to cut this off right there. And I'll show you real quick. So basically, like right in the middle there, pretty close to right there. Alright, let's get this cut. Need a bigger one to cut on this. Alright. Got most of this done. Alright, now knocking this bearing piece off right here because don't need it. So we're going to put that in the vise just enough, knock that through. Done. Alright, there we go. So now, where's my drill? Oh, there it is. I think I'm gonna have to shank that down some so it fits, because this is gonna be 1/2 inch. Then you can put this. Well, let's go do it. Alright, so let's go put this on the car, give it a little test. Even though I can't hook it up to a drill right now because I don't know where my 1/2 inch drill is. So, well, take this off real quick, the retainer, and then slides down like that, and there it is in the pump. So fits right down in there. Put a drill on top, spin it until the oil goes through the whole system, and you've got a primed motor. All right, catch you in the next one.